When buying a hybrid car, most people worry about one thing: long-term reliability. With complicated systems and batteries involved, it's a fair concern. But not all hybrids are created equal. Let's count down the top 12 most reliable hybrid cars, based on real data, not just promises. Number 12. BMW 330e, 2016 present. Stylish and sporty, the 330e is a plug-in hybrid that goes up to 62 miles on electricity alone. But reliability is mixed. Around 16% of owners reported problems, mostly with the electric motor or battery. And here's the bad news. Some repairs cost over $1,500 and took more than a week. Number 11. Ford Kuga Hybrid PHEV 2021 present. The Kuga is great for families, offering a spacious interior and decent electric-only range. But 33% of owners had issues, mainly battery problems. Nearly half the cars were in the shop for over a week. Still, Ford covered most repairs. Number 10. Volvo XC60 PHEV 2016 present. This premium SUV looks and feels high-end. Only 16% reported issues, mainly electrical. The good news? All repairs were free. The bad news? 1 in 5 cars became undrivable, and many repairs took over a week. Number 9. Toyota CHR 2016 to 2023. This unique-looking SUV is now available only used, but it's still a smart pick. Just 14% of owners reported issues, mostly minor battery glitches. Most repairs were cheap or free and done in a day. Number 8. Volvo XC40 PHEV 2017 present. Stylish, compact, and comfortable, the XC40 plug-in hybrid stands out. Only 10% had issues, and they were fixed free of charge. While some cars stayed in the shop longer, most problems were minor and didn't stop the car from being used. Number 7. Lexus NX 2021 present. Smoother to drive than the old model, the new NX is refined and fun. But it's not as bulletproof as its predecessor. 13% had bodywork issues, and while Lexus paid for most repairs, a few owners faced costs up to $500. Number 6. Mercedes A-Class Hybrid 2018 present. Comfortable and well-equipped, this luxury hatchback had just one major complaint: interior trim issues. About 11% of owners reported problems, but all were fixed for free. The only downside? Repairs were slow, with many taking over a week. Number 5. Lexus RX 2016 to 2022. Luxury meets dependability. The RX is powerful and smooth, and just 3% of owners reported issues, mostly aircon or bodywork problems. Even better, all repairs were free and done in a day or less. Number 4. Toyota RAV4 2019 present. One of the best-selling hybrids worldwide. Only 3% of owners reported issues, mostly battery-related. 83% of repairs cost nothing. This SUV is roomy, practical, and a top performer in hybrid reliability. Number 3. Hyundai Kona Hybrid 2019 present. This small SUV is efficient, reliable, and wallet-friendly. Just 7% had issues, all minor. Hyundai's 5-year warranty meant all fixes were free, and most cars were back on the road within a day. Number 2. Lexus ES 2018 present. This elegant saloon offers luxury without the stress. Only 4% of cars had problems, mostly with the infotainment system. All were fixed quickly, and Lexus paid every penny. It's the most reliable executive hybrid around. Number 1. Lexus NX 2014 to 2021. Topping our list is the older Lexus NX. It may not be the flashiest or fastest, but when it comes to reliability, it's unbeatable. 0 issues, 0 breakdowns, 0 repair costs. One owner even said, "My car has been faultless in the 2 years I've owned it." To electric, plug-in hybrid cars are the smart choice for drivers who want flexibility. They offer electric driving for short trips and the comfort of a gas engine for longer ones. So, let's explore the top 10 plug-in hybrid cars of 2025. each chosen for practicality, performance, and price. Number 10. Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300e Urban Edition. Mercedes shows its expertise in hybrids with the C300e. It gives you up to 71 miles of electric range, which is more than most in this class. It's smooth, thanks to rear air suspension, and the design feels premium inside and out. Plus, company car drivers will love its low tax benefits. It's stylish, smart, and surprisingly efficient. Number 9. BMW 330e M Sport. This BMW is quick, 0 to 62 mph in just under 6 seconds, and gives you about 62 miles on electric power. Its driving feel is pure BMW, responsive, fun, and refined. The cabin is top-notch, especially with its intuitive infotainment system. Compared to the C-Class, it has more space in the back and in the boot. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300e. If you're looking for luxury, the E300e is hard to beat. It's the most powerful E-Class yet, with a smooth 2.0-liter engine and electric motor combining for 328 horsepower. The interior is large and comfortable, and while the infotainment isn't perfect, the overall feel is upmarket and spacious, perfect for long journeys in style. Number 7. Skoda Kodiaq 0.5 TSI Fear SE. The Kodiaq plug-in hybrid offers excellent value. With a strong electric range of 76 miles, you'll rarely use the petrol engine for everyday driving. It's roomy, well-built, and has a great driving position. Just note, it's only available with 5 seats, not 7. Still, it's one of the most practical SUVs on this list. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz GLC 300e. This luxury SUV is built for comfort and silence. It boasts a 76-mile electric roar engine and a smooth ride with rear air suspension. Inside, the GLC is modern and spacious, though the boot is a bit tight. Still, for city cruising or long highway drives, it's a peaceful and classy choice. Number 5. Volkswagen Golf e-Hybrid Style. The Golf delivers a surprising 88 miles of electric range, one of the highest in this group. It's light and easy to drive with smooth handling in traffic. The interior is well-equipped and user-friendly. It's a great daily driver for those who want quiet city commutes and simple plug-in charging. Number 4. Mazda MX-30 REV Prime Line. Mazda adds a clever twist to its electric SUV with a plug-in version. The range extender engine keeps the battery going for longer trips. Though rear seats are a bit tight, the interior is beautiful, well-made, and full of character. If you want something different but practical, this one's worth a look. Number 3. Range Rover Sport P550e Autobiography. Luxury meets power in the Range Rover Sport plug-in. With a 76-mile electric range and a huge 3.0-liter engine, this SUV delivers quiet comfort and rapid acceleration. It's packed with premium materials, and the view from the driver's seat is nothing short of commanding. Yes, it's pricey, but also incredibly impressive. Number 2. Volkswagen Passat Hybrid 204 Elegance. This estate car offers 80 miles of electric range, which is fantastic for long drives or family trips. The boot space is generous, the ride is smooth, and the cabin materials beat even some premium rivals. It's practical, elegant, and ready for real-world use, day after day. Number 1. MG HS Plug-in Hybrid SE. You don't have to break the bank to drive a great plug-in hybrid. The MG HS offers 75 miles of electric range at one of the lowest prices in its class. Inside, it feels premium, with smart tech and plenty of space. For budget-conscious buyers who want great range and comfort, the HS is the clear winner. Plug-in hybrids give you the best of both worlds, electric savings and gas-powered convenience. If this list helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more car tips, reviews, and rankings. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.